Hello everybody, Martin Moncayo here, the e-commerce underdog, and today I want to share with you a tip that can help you a lot at the moment of creating content and posting online. Okay, if you are like me, you are building your brand, you are building your audience, you know how important it is to post content consistently, almost every single day for a long period of time. And at the moment of posting content, you can record videos, you can write posts for social media, you can write blogs. But today I want to tell you that it is very important that because sometimes you can run out of ideas. And I want to tell you that a strategy that you can implement to be continuously posting, building your brand, growing your audience, is to use different channels and repurpose your content. For example, you can record a video talking about a specific topic, and then that same video that you did, make a post out of that, okay, a post for social media, a written post. Then that post you can repurpose and write a long blog post about that, and in that way you are using different channels, you are repurposing the content that started as a video into a Facebook or LinkedIn post or Instagram post, and then using that as well for your blog post to continue building your website and running the traffic that you want to your website. So as you can see, there are many ways that you can implement this, but my recommendation for you is to use different channels, repurpose the content that you create. And this works vice versa as well. If you write a blog post, you can then from that blog post record a video, from that blog post create a shorter version and post it on social media as well, in Facebook or LinkedIn, Instagram, whatever platform that you use. But this is how you can build a lot of content. This is how you can build your audience, the traffic, the skills that you are acquiring. And remember, repetition is key when trying to build a successful online business, and content is a very important pillar of your success in the long term. The more content you create, the more content that you post on social media, the better you will become at it, and the chances of you being in front of your ideal customer, if you are writing targeted content, is going to be higher. Okay, you want to position yourself as an authority, and content is going to help you build that foundation, help you build your brand, and more importantly, grow your audience. Because once you have an audience, once you are in front of the people that you want to be in front of, then it's going to be easier for you to sell them, your services, to sell them other people's products, to sell whatever you want to sell. But at the beginning, you have to build your audience. Then you can think about, creating amazing sales pages, creating great landing pages, but content is going to be the foundation, and then you want to send the traffic so that then your sales page, your landing pages, your offers convert better. Okay, so that's everything I wanted to share with you guys today. Hope you find this video valuable. Remember, you can use different channels for your content, repurpose the content that you create. It doesn't matter if it's a blog post, if it's a social media post, if it's a video, you can then repurpose that content using in those different channels in different ways. And in that way you will have more content, you will be in front of more people, and you will be able to drive traffic to your website and to your offers in a better way. And at the end, of course, get more clients, more customers, grow your business. So that's the message I wanted to share with you guys today. Hope you find this video valuable. If you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe, give it a like, ask me any questions down below. And also, before I go, if you're someone who wants to start online, or if you're someone who is struggling with his online business, I want to invite you to a 4-day free training that I set up on my website with my mentor Sebastian Gomez, where you're going to learn how to start online with affiliate marketing. You are also going to learn about email marketing, funnels, content creation, key skills that you need to develop, no matter if you want to sell your own products or services, if you want to sell someone else's products, or if you want to work for someone else. This is going to help you out. So the recommendation is there, link in the description. And with nothing more to say, keep moving, keep grinding, keep making things happen, and I'll see you in the next one.